Hello and welcome to another Modeling for All video guide. In this guide I want to show you how to change agent attributes. So to start this off, I want to imagine we've set the model we're looking at here. So we see a fish which has 4 microbehaviors: move forward, turn repeatedly, set shape and set size. To give us an idea of what this model does, let's run it. And we see, if I press setup, we see a fish placed at near the center of the simulation. And if I press go, the fish is moving forward and turning each unit of time in the simulation, or each second. So if I then go back to this model, what I want to do is to find out more what's happening in the model. I want to draw a line behind the fish as it moves. So if I go to the library, we see a section called Attributes. And in here there is a microbehavior called Update Attribute. So if I click into here, now what I want to do is set a built-in NetLogo variable, and to find out which variable this is, I want to go over to the NetLogo dictionary, which I have over here. And we see in NetLogo, and to get to the dictionary you just type in NetLogo dictionary into Google and you'll come here, and I'll just increase the size of the text so it's easier to read. Now in the top of this page you'll see, if I scroll down, you see there is a section called built-in variables, and one of these variables is called pen mode. So if I click here, we see that pen mode, it says this is a built-in turtle variable, and turtle is word used in the NetLogo community, and it's the same as agent or prototype in Modeling for All. And you can see that this can be set to up, down or erase. By default it's up, this is why turtles don't normally draw lines between them, but we can set it to be down, so it does. So if I go back to here, I see that I can set pen mode. So if I say pen mode here, and then if I set it to down, and to set variables or agent attributes I need to use speech marks. So I've now created a new microbehavior where I'm setting a turtle or agent or prototype variable called pen mode to be down. Remember, this is built into NetLogo code. So this works because Modeling for All, or BehaviourComposer, creates programs that run in NetLogo. So it's always good practice to change the name so it means something when we look at it from the BehaviourComposer or the Composer screen. So I'm going to say it's called set pen mode down. So I save this, add it to my prototype, and I can see I've added it here. If I now press run and go, I can see my fish is now drawing out a 6-sided shape. So it's moving forward 2 and turning by 60 degrees, because 60 goes into 366 times. So again, I want to demonstrate this because it's not that easy to see this line. So I want to set another turtle variable. So I'll go back to the NetLogo dictionary, and I see another variable here called pen size. So just to repeat the procedure, I'm going to set this pen size, and we see the size is expressed in pixels. So I'll go back here, go to the library again, navigate to the attribute section, open update attribute, set this built-in NetLogo variable called pen size, and I will set it to 5 pixels by putting a 5 in there. And again, rename it. It's good practice to rename it, and I'll say set pen size to 5, just so it's very clear what I'm doing. So I'll add that to my prototype again, like here. So we see I've created 2 new microbehaviors, one set pen size 5 and set pen mode down. So when I run this, I should now see the fish tracing out a thicker hexagon.